Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards. Describe something that was broken in your house and then repaired. You should say, what is it? How was it broken? How did you get it repaired? And how did you feel after repair? Our daily routine was greatly disrupted a few months ago when our kitchen refrigerator unexpectedly quit functioning. We have been using this very old model for more than 7 years, and it has never caused us any significant issues. We discovered one morning that the freezer had entirely failed and the food was not staying cold. We had to throw out a lot of food because all the frozen foods, including ice cream and veggies, had begun to melt, which was inconvenient and wasteful. Since we were first unsure of the problem, we contacted a nearby appliance repair specialist. The following day, he visited and looked over the refrigerator. He informed us that a crucial component of every refrigerator, the compressor, had failed. Luckily, he had ordered the correct replacement part because he had familiarity with that brand. The item arrived after around 3 days, and the repair took almost 2 hours. In order to ensure the refrigerator would continue to function effectively over time, he also performed some general maintenance. We were so relieved when it was fixed. Not only did we save money by not having to buy a new refrigerator, but we also enjoyed how well it was functioning once again. To be honest, it helped me realize how much we depend on some gadgets without even realizing it. Our comfort and routine are impacted when things stop working, even for a brief period of time. We now attempt to take better care of our appliances by completing routine maintenance checks, and I was also appreciative of the technician's professionalism and prompt service. And that's it for today's session. I hope you found this video helpful and that you're feeling more confident. Remember, practice and the right guidance are the keys to success, and if you want personalized coaching to boost your scores, you're welcome to join my classes. I offer both online and offline OET, IELTS, CD IELTS, CELPIP, PTE, TOEFL training sessions, where you'll get complete support for writing, speaking, reading, and listening modules, along with detailed feedback and tips. Whether you are starting from scratch or aiming for a higher grade, I can help you reach your goal faster. To know more or to book your seat, just check the link in the description or send me a message on the given contacts. I would love to help you succeed. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more helpful learning material. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon, either in the next video, or in my class.